In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a no-code AI chatbot in Zapier, 5 minutes. If you've got 5 minutes and zero code, you're in the right place. We'll go from a blank canvas to a shareable embedded chatbot that answers questions with your own content. Start by logging into Zapier and opening the chatbots section. Click Create New Chatbot, give it a clear, descriptive name you and your team will recognize, and choose from scratch so you control the behavior from the ground up. Head to Instructions and Personality. This is the brain of your bot. In the greeting, write a short, friendly opener that sets expectations, like what the bot can help with. In the directive, spell out the role, tone, audience, and goals. Be specific. Define what to prioritize, what to avoid, how to handle unknowns, and the style you want in the replies. A precise directive dramatically improves answers and consistency. Next, open knowledge to give the bot the facts it needs. Add your business documents and resources, then connect sources such as Google Docs, Notion, or even crawl your public website pages. Favor up-to-date, single sources of truth and keep drafts or sensitive files out. Organize content with clear titles so search works well. Optionally, layer in logic and integrations. This is where Zapier shines. You can let the bot create tickets, look up a contact in your CRM, add a row to a spreadsheet, or schedule a meeting without code. When adding actions, use short, explicit prompts and ask the user to confirm before the bot changes data. Clear input and output fields reduce errors and make the conversation feel reliable. Now make it yours in theme and settings. Adjust colors, avatar, and display name to match your brand. Tweak default prompts like the starting message, and set behavior preferences, including whether to show sources. Keep the design simple and accessible so the chat window feels inviting and easy to read. It's time to test. Use the preview panel to try real questions, edge cases, and ambiguous requests. If answers are off, refine the directive or add better knowledge sources. Small wording changes can have big impact. When you're happy, share the public link or copy the embed snippet to place the chatbot on your website or help center. Keep an eye on feedback and iterate as your content evolves so the bot stays accurate and helpful. And that's it. You've built a no-code AI chatbot in Zapier in just a few minutes.